What's up guys, welcome back to another video, but then today it's not a video, it's just I want to tell you guys that a train in Sri Lanka sounds like it's saying what up. Just listen to this. It goes like what up, 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 what up. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up. My dog trying to remove my cap. Let's see if they'll be successful. He's close by. He's close by. Yeah, don't munch it. You're supposed to remove it, Kovu. You remove it, and it does it. Okay.